Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this tutorial we will see that how we can use a list view in a Flutter. So list view is a widget that is used to display the items in a linear manner. For example, the list view we have seen in a Zomato or a Swiggy to display the list of the restaurants. So that one is a scrollable widget we use to display the multiple items on our same screen. And let's see with the help of an example that how we can how it can be implemented. So if we want to display the small number of the children, so we will use that. And if you want to make it as a dynamic, or we will using integrating with the API as well. For that we will see, there is another widget called a list view builder. For that we will see that how we can use that in the next video. So head over to it. So here is my homepage. Inside the my homepage, uh, there is a scaffold, and the scaffold is holding that property of the body. And inside the body, we have defined the list view, and the list view is holding the some properties as well. So the shrink wrap is basically initially it was false, but it was false to reduce the performance issue and to reduce the memory leakage. So we have defined it as a true. And the scrolling direction, we have defined that onward direction we have to scroll. Either we can scroll it vertical or horizontal as well. So it all both the properties as well. And it also hold many properties as well, like a padding controller. We can define it, and we can also define that scrolling, how it can be scroll and how it can be look. And there is a reverse also. So there are the many properties we if we want to use, we can use it. Let's say we have to done some padding inside it. So we have passed from padding from all the sides. And so let's say in the list view, we are creating the list. We are creating a list of the cards. So what we're gonna do is that we are creating a card, and inside the card, there it's all a child widget, and inside the child widget, we are defining the list style. The list style can also be customized using the list style theme that we will see later. The how it can be done. And inside the list style, we have passed a title as a Flutter. And as it shows, we will pass. There is a constant keyword, we have to define it, and that also as well. We have added the constant modifier. Yeah, the string. Wait, the string. The text widget does not hold. Yeah, that's it. If we hot reload it, so you will see there is a error coming over here. List view. The list. The list view. I will change the direction as well. And once we hot restart it, so if you see that the card is already being built, so we can build as memory of the card. Let's say we want to build the 10 cards, so we can specify the as number of the children we want to define. But this can be used for the smaller children that we want to define. Let's say 10, 20, or 50. But if we want to display the list of children over 10,000 or 50,000, for that we have to use the list view builder. So that on that we will see in the next tutorial that how we can build that. And as many cards if we want to define, we can define it. So the list view, so as number of the cards we have defined in it, so it will display all the number of the children inside it. And the scrolling, we have also defined it as well. So if you see that the list of the cards are already being built for the small number of the children. So if you like this content and if you like this uh, channel as well, so please do share and subscribe this channel.